Alright, so in this episode of Working with the Casio, we're going to talk about what happens when the answer we need is not on our screen. Also, we're going to talk about how to enter a fraction. So if our equation is y equals 2/3 x plus 4, and we want to graph it, we come to the graphing menu. We'll press 3 from wherever we are. This popped up, so I need to press exit and delete it by pressing F2 and then F1. And now I want to enter this equation. If I want to enter a fraction in my Casio, I have a fraction key for it, this ABC right here. So I'll press the 2, and then I press the ABC. Now it knows where the fraction bar was, and then I'll press the 3. That's what 2/3 is going to look like in a Casio. The X, remember, is this variable key, and then plus 4. So plus 4, press EXE to store that. Okay, so find X when y equals 12. That's another y value. Our equation is in y1, so we'll put 12 in y2. So 12. Enter to store it, F6 to draw it. Why don't I see anything? Because if you look here, and you remember from last time, our window only goes up to 10. I'm in the standard window. So y equals 12 is not visible to me because it's up here off the top of the screen. So what do you need to do if you need to change your window? If you're staring at the graph screen, you press F3. You look at your max and min. This is for the x-axis. The x-axis is not my problem. I want to see y equals 12. The problem is on my y-axis, the biggest number I see is 10. 12 is bigger. So I need to arrow down here to that y value that's stopping at 10, and I need it to go to 15 or 20 instead. I'll say 15. Once you change it, you press EXE to store it, and then EXE to get back here to the drawing screen, so you can press F3. Oh, there it is. Alright, what's our problem now? Do they intersect? No. So, I don't know if it'll find it. Let's try intersection, F5, F5. Yeah, it says not found because we literally can't see it. It can't find it. So, we're back to the window again. This time, which way do we need to go? X's only go up to 10, and that's not far enough. So we're going to press the F3, and I'm going to change the maximum X to something bigger than 10. What if it were 15? So press EXE twice, press draw. Oh, now they're crossing. So now I can press my intersections, F5, F5, and y equals 12, x equals 12. Find x when y equals 12. So x equals 12. Okay? Alrighty, exit. Let's remember how we find this if we're going to find y when x is a number. We don't need this 12 in here anymore. Let's delete it. Exit, delete, enter. Let's redraw it. Remember, to plug in an x value, you need trace, F1. And then just start typing. F1, 5, enter. So type in the value. 7.3 repeating. Y equals 7.3 repeating. I changed this one. I needed it bigger to prove my point. What if it said 20? Remember, if you've already pressed trace, you can just change numbers. So I'm just going to type 20. Press EXE. Argument error. Say, what? I wasn't arguing with you. What argument error means is that it doesn't fit in the window. We are going to have to change the window. Again. X is 20. That doesn't fit in my window. If I exit back, I'm looking at my graph. I'll press F3. My window will only go to X is 15. So my window will only give me answers for X is 15. So to get 20 to work, I need to make this bigger than 20. What if I do 22? Press EXE twice. Now we can press draw. Trace 20. Enter. Now it works. Y equals 17.3. Repeating. Okay. Stay tuned for more later.